My name is Mary Stuart Noel. I am the owner of Boston Chairs LLC, and I would like to invite you to partake in a session with me where I will be showing you how to clean your throne chair, how to protect your throne chair, and how to transport your throne chair. So let's get started. I have a chair that came back. It's pretty beat up. And so now I have to go ahead and clean it up, and gonna see what we can do here to fix this chair. Okay, so our chair came back like this. So what we're gonna have to do is we're just gonna use the solution. It's just a mild soap with water, and we're gonna get some, okay, just paper towel, and then clean it off. Get as much as you can off of it as you can. So as you can see, this is on pretty bad. So look at this. This is pretty bad. So okay, so now that we've wiped it down and it's still pretty stained, we're just gonna have to dry it with microfiber, and then we're gonna start with something new. As you can see, my efforts to wash it and clean it did not work. So we're just gonna have to do something I don't like doing, but we're gonna have to use acetone with Q-tips to remove them. Now, the acetone I have is the Pro Strength, but you have to do literally each spot one at a time, little by little, and each mark one at a time, little by little, so that you don't ruin the chair entirely. So I'm gonna show you how to do one of those areas and then blend, okay? Tuck in there on your eraser. Do it one more time. We're gonna do this one, okay? You're gonna see. Second eraser. It's pretty dirty. And we're gonna blend it with the other part of the Q-tip. So. The way the area was, it was really, really dirty. I mean, it's just a little bit better. So this is pretty much it. This is how, that's the closest to getting it as good as you possibly can get it, Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like my content, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and like my page on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And be sure to check out my website, bostonchairs.com. I'm Marie. Thank you.